Trending News JA. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe.
Answer wrong completely, or you're still gonna have sex with ants? What are you gonna do?
I'll stop him from this one because he might get control.
He's getting to controlling.
I can't call it for.
But now that Shawn could stand up, I think you should get rid of ants now because Shawn can stand up now.
Welcome to Trending News. Remember to like and subscribe. Now, today we are going to talk about the wickedest series where take place on TikTok right now. And if you don't know, well, you live under a rock. Well, the series we are talking about are Shawn and Karen, the amazing duo. Or I should have said trio because ants in the mix. So Shawn and Karen, them recently do an interview on TikTok. I think the man who interviewed them named Q. The interview was very entertaining and I have a clip of it I'm going to make you watch. But in the interview, you know, Q pretty much addressed everything where social media already know. Why Karen can't left ants yard. You see it? So we get to find out now, say, in this interview, because Shawn thing now work. You see it, Shawn thing just decide say it a go funeral. You see it, and Karen want to her thing, so Karen find ants yard every day go do her thing, you know. So, you know, Karen say, yo, we don't have the remedy for Shawn, and Shawn say the remedy at work. So now everything's supposed to good and back to normal, so ants can come out of the picture. You see it. One thing I gotta tell about them couple of me actually rate are the fact say, yo, Shawn respect in marriage. I don't know about Karen, but Shawn definitely respect in marriage. You see me? I wish somebody could have like tell Karen say, yo, you know, respect back the marriage, the vows them, just respect it. You see me? Even though them I say when they married, I somebody give them $5,000 for them end up reach one motel for the night and then buy a box food and just roll off. You see it? But I couldn't watch it. You see it? Me chat too much. So just watch the interview and tell me what you think. I remember subscribes in.
Answer wrong completely, or you're still gonna have sex with ants? What are you gonna do?
I'll stop him from this one because he might get control.
He's getting to controlling.
I can't call it for.
But now that Shawn could stand up, I think you should get rid of ants now because Shawn can stand up now. So
Yeah.
and he doesn't have no more problem. He always standing up.
Yeah, he's standing up.
All right. So I think
I give meat.
up to today you make the punch for him, right?
Yeah.
All right. So Shawn, I'm glad that you could stand up now, and then ants don't have to come in the way. All right.
Yeah.
So Karen, keep making the punch for Shawn.
Shawn one punch him get
Yeah.
Me get I'll put rum in it and you know the wood food punch with peanut.
Yeah, everything.
And super
Everything. Red label wine.
red label wine, you know.
When me look on her, me say, oh yeah.
So Karen, a while ago you say ants used to go too hard, right? So now that Shawn stand up, Shawn is perfect, or he go too hard also, or he's perfect?
Perfect, right?
All right. You feel it now.
Yeah, but me that man like this, me not like do it too hard for her. Me not quarrel away them. Me not come like some man where want do it and well want kill him.
I had the five rights in my belly.
Okay, so he's taking time with that. I like
just
that.
Take time.
So Shawn, I want to.
Stop it up hard like my animal.
Yeah, me can't do it.
You have to take your time and make love.
Me just want to do it.
All right.
Because me tell her well say a good man she there with. Me not that person with quarrel. Me never born as a quarrel person. Me decide say me want change. That February me born. Born 1984 a leap year me born. And a good man current there.
June. Me born the 25th of June.
Oh, I'm the 10th of June. So you're Gemini. So you born what date you born, Shawn?
Leap year me born on the last date of February 1984. Leap year me
Sometimes me born on total full day.
Not on full day night. Leap year. I'm talking to people about full day.
So Shawn, I have only three more.
Actually, your baby, you know.
Yeah. So Shawn, I have three
Yeah,
more.
yeah, man. I mean, I saw me and my baby make joke about. I mean, I no cuss, you know. That's all.
All right. Mwah. So we're gonna wrap.
We just live good, yeah.
So I have three more questions for you, and then we play the game, and that's it. We almost finished the interview. But before we get to the other question, guys, please follow both pages. Follow my page and follow Karen page and Shawn. Follow their page. As you can see, that once you go to their page, they're gonna make you laugh. So don't forget that next week we have Tiki and we have I'll let you know who next week. We have more interviews coming up. We have a lot of interviews coming up, and don't forget that next week Sunday is the TikTok awards. All right. So if you want to vote, you go in my bio and Apple bio and vote. The awards is next week Sunday at 8:30 p.m. So Shawn, is Karen is the only woman you've ever been involved with? Karen is your first woman. You have any other woman before that?
Yeah, me see some other woman, about 14 woman me have. 14 woman. Me a girl, me tell you say me a girl is you know me a.
So in the past,
Me a girl is.
so let me ask you a question. How comes now you're with Karen? It couldn't stand up after a while.
No,
So
no, well, me a tell you this.
explain to me.
Because some of the time me the ignorant, and my wife in pack up her things, say I leave from Portmore and go down a sentence beer and Marley back to her baby father we born December. Me not thought this a second baby father now, cause me a third one. First baby father with the Marley the right now we are alive right now. So some ruction not go on and me baby mother me never married at the same time. And some ruction not go on. So when me ask her the reason, me ask her I say why you running?
Well, I know. Remember say when me get out that favorite him say want another child.
So
Yeah.
are you gonna have another child for him?
Yeah, girl.
A girl.
So Shawn, the question I asked, right? The 14 woman that you had, you used to make sure stand up for them.
Yes, at the time, yeah.
So why all of a sudden it fell down? Why you couldn't stand up no more?
Because from that two me baby mother run it from then time me never drink nothing, no tuna.
Not all. Shut up and no.
Oh, so you
No,
could.
not at all.
So basically, you're saying you can only stand up when you drink the good roots, everything.
Yes, when
So
you
if
start
it-
drink it, yeah.
So if
And
you don't drink
tuna-
those things, you can't stand up.
No, if you not drinking something, them, you not go turn up.
I the tuna first me give man make it stand up first. The tuna.
So Shawn, I have a question for you. I have two more questions, right? Can you tell me about Jody, the blind girl? Is it true she's pregnant for you?
They must have me get her pregnant, but when me call her over there, she say, I lie, me I tell, they want me to come up there if man beat me. And me say, she there with man.
So
But me not want to go up there, Jody. Me no, and then I want show shot me live. They no want show shot then live. They must say a Walton then live, but me no know shot a Walton then live. Walton is big, so.
Karen, you know Jody?
Yeah, I know them.
Mm-hmm.
Was Jody before Karen or while you're with Karen?
Jody, we don't need them there with Karen because Karen go take them up on the road.
No, when were you with Jody? While you was with Karen or before Karen?
No, they with Karen.
No. Okay. So Jody, right? Were you together with Jody?
Karen, give me Jody.
Oh, Karen. Oh my God, this is another story. So Karen, you bring Jody for Shawn?
Yes, the something did start, so that's why.
Should I see her
I
appearance?
see me something.
So when you see a period, you bring Jody for Shawn.
Yes, just one.
It's a one time thing. Just one time. And that one time, Shawn, did you use a condom?
Yes, yeah, me use
And the
condom.
condom end up burst.
And the condom in the burst.
So that's why they're saying that Jody's pregnant for you.
That they must say.
Well, I hope that if that's your baby that you find out and then, you take care of the baby and you see your baby, and I hope that you get to see Jody and confirm that the baby is yours. All right.
Yeah.
So the last question I have for you, Shawn, is what was it like living at the bus stop? Because I know you used to live at a bus stop, right? How was that? Tell us, how was that?
Some ruction in a go on a town and we run if and town and come and live a bus stop.
So how long did you live at the bus stop?
About 2 months, 2 months and a half.
2 months and a half.
Yeah, man, 2 months and a half.
So who found you?
Miss Ellis.
So now that Miss Ellis, right? Now, Miss Ellis has been an amazing person in both of you guys' life. Because if it wasn't for Miss Ellis, I wouldn't be here with you guys with this interview. I'm gonna start with Karen first. Karen, I want you to look because I'm pretty sure Miss Ellis is looking. So let me get the camera on you, right? What would you like to say? Because Miss Ellis has been very good to you guys, Karen, what would you like to say from your heart to Miss Ellis? Say something. What would you like to say to her?
Something nice one.
Like, let us say, she was good to me. She was nice to me. I get found out the time when she did she used to tell lots jokes, and she used to laugh at me when me no laughing mood.
No, but what do you want to say to her? Like if somebody said to me, right? Like if somebody said to me, what do you want to say to Miss Ellis? I would say, Miss Ellis, thank you so much for everything you have done for me. I appreciate everything. You have been so amazing to me. God bless you. Thank you so much. I love you. Thank you. So what do you want to say to her?
May I say thank you. Thank you for was amazing. Say she good to me and be good to her.
They want to say
and I also good to her too, so.
And Shawn, let me get the camera on Shawn.
Yeah.
Shawn, what would you like to say to Miss Ellis? She's watching right now. What would you like to say to Miss Ellis?
I just want to have manners to her. I just want to tell her that any wrongs me didn't do, I won't do it again, and she's good to me, and me call her some mother. Because my real mother and father dead. But I still my mother still, because she look out for me. Understand me? Yeah. And when by the outer bus stop, people mock and Jerry, and she's the only one fee say for we and take you up and give you a roof over your head. So me really thank God for that.
I heard that when she did be that preach on the bus stop.
Who was preaching on the bus stop?
I did that preach on the bus stop.
Oh, okay.
And some people with a pass and give away money. The bus from the hotel give you soup, give you food, umbrella, grocery, and also clothes.
Right, you remember to mention thing for you.
Yeah, I'm gonna remember that for sure. On behalf, Miss Ellis, if you're watching, thank you for making Shawn, and also Higher Flex, thank you for bringing this interview. Miss Ellis, I want to say thank you so much. Miss Ellis, I want to say may God continue to bless you. Do not look at the negative, because when I go on your page, Miss Ellis, I see negative comments, and you have made a difference in Shawn and Karen's life. Please, Miss Ellis, don't look at they're always going to be negative people. But from me, Roy Q, I want to say thank you, Miss Ellis, for making a big difference in these people's life. Miss Ellis, you're a good soul. To bring you down, and that's Satan. That's a Satan come and try